welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Parisian themed centerpiece for a Sweet 16 or a Quinceanera. Here we go. Centerpiece, guys, because I did not have a Sweet 16 nor a Quinceanera. Sad. A Sweet 16 because in my country we don't celebrate Sweet 16, we celebrate 15, which is a Quinceanera, and I chose not to have it. I know, right? I chose to have the cash so I can go on a shopping spree, and yeah, I didn't have it. And now that I'm older, I wish that I would have had mine because I missed out on the experience. But now I can live vicariously through you guys. So make sure that if you make this centerpiece, you send me those pictures, okay? And yeah, another reason why I'm excited is because this Eiffel Tower, guys. I have to tell you the story behind this Eiffel Tower. I've been shopping around for Eiffel Towers, you know, to get the best prices. And the best price I could find was a little thing like this for $19.99. This one, I found a Hobby Lobby, original price, $39.99. But I decided, okay, I'm gonna go with my 40% discount coupon that you can find online. Anyone can find it, it's always there. And I thought, okay, I'll pay 25 bucks. It's a little more than $19.99, but look at the size of it. It's very, very nice size. But it had a little ship on that, so I told the lady at the register, can I get a discount for that? And I thought she would say, sure, 10%, 5%. But then after she came back from talking to her manager, she said, here, you can have it for 50% off. 50% off. And on top of that, I was able to use my 40% discount coupon. So I only paid about $15 for this. $15! Yay! All right, guys, let's get started. So I've decided to leave the Eiffel Tower in its original color, which is this color pink. My first instinct was to paint it in gold, but after placing the flowers that I'm going to be using around it, this color pink is perfect, especially for the Sweet 16 Quinceañera theme. The first thing I'm going to do is measure how much tulle I'm going to need around the Eiffel Tower. I'm going to be using this tool to glue on some flowers on it so I can drape it around the Eiffel Tower. So I need to measure it. And I'm going to start from right about here, right under the antenna. And I'm just going to go around. And that's about right for me. You can have as much or as little wrap as you like. But for me, I'm giving myself extra just in case. I can always cut it down. To make my wrap, I'm going to be using white hydrangeas from Dollar Tree. This year's hydrangeas from Dollar Tree are very, very nice. They're thicker and they're fuller. I am loving them. Very nice. So now all you have to do is just literally just pull them individually and just glue them right onto the tool right here. Floral wrap. It took 2.5 hydrangeas to make and about 45 minutes to make it. It's pretty easy to make but a little time consuming. And now I'm ready to place it on my Eiffel Tower. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little glue right here. And I'm going to place it right on top of here. And then I'm just going to drape it around. Very easy. I'm gonna add a little glue right here. And this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to work around the bottom of the centerpiece, and I'm going to be adding more hydrangeas right now. I'm just going to pop them off, and I'm going to be gluing 2 at a time, and I'm going to be placing them right where you see these entrances. I'm going to be placing them there. Now I'm going to be adding these light pink peonies from Dollar Tree. All of my flowers today are from Dollar Tree, by the way. And I'm going to cut them very, very short, enough to keep the leaves and the flower together. So it's going to be this short. So I basically alternated the peonies, one down, one up, one down, one up, down, up, all around. Now I'm going to add dark pink roses to add a little more pop to the arrangement. Here's how the bottom looks like. I think it's well proportioned. You don't want to overdo the flowers because it's just going to be way too much. I'm going to add a couple of dark pink roses to the top of the arrangement so it won't look so plain. To finish up the look of the centerpiece, I'm going to be using paper mache numbers. I got this from Hobby Lobby and they were each 99 cents. I got the number 15 for a quinceañera and I got a number 16 for a sweet 16. So you can have an idea of how it will look for your celebration. And I'm going to be painting both of them in gold. So initially I was thinking of placing the number 16 right here. And then I changed my mind and was thinking of placing it right here in the middle. But now I'm thinking of placing it right here on top. Let me show you how it looks with the number 15. Here it is, very pretty. Here's how it looks in the middle and right here on top. They're all great options and I'm just going to leave it up to you. Last but not least, I want to show you how to make the rose napkin fold that you're going to see on my setup. All you have to do is fold your napkin into a triangle, and then you are going to grab the bottom and roll it all the way up until you have about 3 inches at the top. All right, so that's about right. Then you're going to roll the roll part right here. So you're just gonna grab it and roll it. And then you're going to tuck this part inside of here. Just tuck it in, okay? And then you are going to split this 2 open. These are going to be your leaves. And then this one on that side. And there it is. All right guys, this is it. This is my Parisian themed centerpiece for a quinceañera or for a sweet 16. As you can see, I chose to place the numbers right on top of the centerpiece, but you can choose to place it in the middle or at the bottom. And yes, I did make changes to the bottom of the arrangement because at the end I felt like the flowers were overwhelming the tower and I wasn't really able to see it. So I ended up taking away the white hydrangeas from the front entrance and the back entrance. I also added LED wire lights to the arrangement and I'm going to show you how it looks right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe right now. And leave me a comment. You know I love to read all of your comments. So let me know what you thought of my centerpiece, and let me know if you had a Sweet 16 or a quinceañera, or if you're planning one right now. All right, guys, until next time, bye.